Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the telegram. I'll put the telegram in the comment section. So guys, once again, do not forget to click on that subscribe button. So once I drop an update, instantly you would get the updates. Do not miss out on the updates by just subscribing. Now let's expecting on our GBP USD for the day. Let's start with our daily time frame. So we would want to see the full bigger picture on our current trend, which is the full our main trend and the current trend. Now take a look at it here, right? We can see that we were in a downtrend, especially if you take a look at this trend. This trend is a downtrend movement, right? You're having a series of lower low and a lower high. So this is very, very clear that market is trending downward. Now, if you take a look at this movement, market has now given us a change in movement, which is first movement high, and here comes the higher low. This is also our higher high. So market is currently forming an higher low. So once market forms an higher low finish, we will be expecting another movement that will form a new higher high, right? So for swing traders, it will be best you start looking to going on the buy because this month of December, GBPUSD will give us a strong buy to the upside. There's going to be a strong bullish move to the upside. So that is for swing traders. For day traders, if you have to zoom it in properly, you will see something like this, multiple rejection at this level, which is, you might take as your support level. So when markets came here, it dropped, it pushed up, we had a rejection. Markets eventually came back to retest it. Markets rejected and pushed up. Market came back to retest it again. Market pushed up again, rejected. Markets came back to retest, and now we'll be expecting market to reject from this level again and push up. So another forecast is a movement to the upside. So with this movement, possibly we will be grabbing between 60 to 70 pips potential movement on GBP USD. So another forecast next on our GBP USD would be a bullish move, which will be a new movement, and that movement we are likely to see it push up till it form a new high. But if in case it does not form the new high, at least we should be able to see tap our resistance level at this level here. So this is our resistance level because this is our first rejection level touch, second rejection level touch. So we are likely to see it come here to give us our third rejection level touch. So our next forecast and our next movement on GBPUSD should see that bullish move till it eventually tap our resistance level. So make sure you subscribe so you will not miss out on any updates next.